Hi, I'm Camilla Blossom Bishop, and I wanted to share more about Earth School. I just opened this school because I wanted to step deeper into sharing a lot of these teachings, protocols, intuitive techniques, tools, and land rituals that I've been doing for many, many years and learning about all along from the subtle energy realms of nature. I want to tell you a little story of how I connected more deeply with this path. I was working as a flower essence maker and had a business and a practitioner healer. And so that was my life, really working with the plants and the flowers and working with their spirits and learning so much from them. Just love how they are teachers and allies and friends for me. I was driving across a creek in Hood River called Indian Creek, and I heard this voice. It felt like the voice of the elementals, the voice of the willow and the creek there. And it was telling me that we are not here to heal Mother Earth. We are here to heal our relationship with her. And I was so moved by that, I stopped and wrote that down, and it's become my motto for life. And as I've gone on making flower essences, working with plants, being in nature, talking and whispering to the lands, and living many places, more and more the elementals, the ancestors of land, the people I'd gather with, there was this calling to really step up and awaken more and awaken the earth and the land more by stepping into the nature of reciprocity, of how we need to give and receive and open this caring, tender, loving relationship we have with nature, with the lands, with the waters, and all the beings that inhabit them. So the school was born from this desire to really bring forward this great love I have for the earth and the awakening process that we're all in, and to call forth those who want to do this with me in community and bring this communication, this co-creation energy, bring back this honoring of the elementals in our own bodies as well as on the lands, and also to really learn the practices of how to honor land, how to clear the old energies off land, because the elementals and spirit cannot express itself, and also that process of giving back. So I hope you'll join me. The Earth School will include online offerings. I'll have Earth camps, introductory workshops, an Earth Mystery School, which is a 10-month program to get really deep into your own inner landscape and how you can tend the lands and work with clearing and giving back. So I hope you'll join me and do this for the earth. We're all earth walkers, and you can also become a land alchemist as well. So thank you and have a beautiful day.